What you doing, Mommy Stubbs?
Oh, just putting a brain in a jar.
She's a mad scientist. We're gonna put the brain in the jar. Like this.
Like so.
What are you gonna put in with it? Just nothing?
I think kind of some orange.
Orange liquid. We got eyeballs. What else we got?
And then put your hand in these.
You gotta put your hand in
This
in
one's
these.
supposed to wait. This one.
These
Oh,
are
This one. Wait, no.
eyeballs.
No, what? Oh,
Eyeballs.
Yeah. These ones are the bat wings, I'm pretty sure.
No, these ones are mouse hearts. Okay, rat hearts.
Those are bat wings.
Bat wings.
This one's lizard ears.
Wizard ears. And what are we carving for our pumpkin tonight for a pumpkin carving contest? A purple minion. Awesome. Looks good. All right, let's get to work. We've got lots to do before our fall festival carnival.
See this?
Ooh, what's gonna go in there?
That's gonna be this, but I don't want to put it in there because we gotta transport it.
Oh,
So I might need
good,
an extra
smart.
bigger jar.
Smart.
Because it's almost Halloween!
The fourth one says, run, run, run. The fifth one says, I'm ready for some fun. Then ooh, with the wind and out with the light. And 5 little pumpkins roll down the side.
Okay, yellow warhead. Somebody was passing out warheads at my work for trick or treat. That's interesting.
I didn't want one.
You don't want it?
I'll give it to Autumn.
Autumn, you want this one?
It's a warhead.
Eat it. It's kind of misshapen. It's okay. I just opened it.
I think it's jerky.
You think it's jerky? Try it. Try it.
Try it. These are one of my things. Wait,
These are-
there's
yeah, it's a bracelet.
in mine. Yeah.
Okay, try it, Autumn. Put it in your mouth.
But, oh,
You've had these before. I've given these to you before and you liked them. Or maybe you didn't actually. I don't know. Try it.
I don't like it.
Oh, okay. You want me to eat it? The thing about this is not only sour, but the sour portion just doesn't taste good. Stop. It's not like a lemon sour. It's more like just a really. It's extreme. Holy cow. It's amazing they can make something like that. All right, what kind of creatures and monsters do we have for Halloween?
Creatures?
Or is this zombie Elsa?
Monster? No, just a
Zombie Anna? You guys have such original costumes.
Yeah, did you see?
What? You got some makeup on or something?
She's got rosy cheeks.
Rosy cheeks. All right. We got Curious George. We got Mermaid. And we got a kitty cat.
She's got.
And what else? We got a Jedi. Are you a Jedi? A Jedi Master? What's your name?
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker? I don't think he has a hood like that. I didn't see the monkey yet. Where's the monkey?
She got rosy
Hey,
cheeks.
monkey!
She has rosy cheeks. Do you see them? I have
All right, we're going to the block party. Halloween block party. Woohoo!
Halloween. Halloween.
Ween,
Trick
no.
or treat.
I wonder if there's going to be any Olafs.
Any Olafs?
Oh, Hannah's being Olaf?
Hannah's being Olaf?
Yeah.
Trick or treating? Yep, we're just gonna go down the street here.
Going to our house.
All right, block party's over. Good fun, guys.
Going to our house and that's it?
Yeah, we're gonna go see something cool tonight.
What?
It's called a Tesla's coil. It's really cool. Did you want to go see that? Woohoo!
How do they get
Lots of electricity. The cage of death. Do you guys want to go in the cage of death? You go in the cage and that's where the electricity touches the cage.
What happens?
You get close to the lightning. There's Halloween. How was your Halloween? Great. That Tesla thing, the Tesla coil, the music, that was pretty sweet. That was a coworker told me, he sent out an email. Pretty cool, sweet. Pretty fun, awesome. That's pretty fun, awesome. He's like, hey, come check it out. We do a free show for anybody who wants to come watch. So I was like, yeah, heck yeah. I wanted to get in the cage. I wanted to film inside the cage. That would be awesome.
About it, you mean old dad?
Yeah, she cried for 15 minutes after we left.
Yeah. It's a sad time to cry.
Yeah, it's late. Too much sugar. Rest.